I wanted to bring you another video and show you a trick on how to get perfect corners when you're finishing up the trim in your house. We've laid down new flooring and now we're changing out to a craftsman style trim. But the issue we're running into, and as you can see here, this corner on the edge of this wall, it's not a full 90 degrees and that corner is not meeting up. We've cut an even 45-degree angle on both of those pieces, although you can see the large gap in there. Unfortunately, this is really common. This one's a little more exaggerated, but a lot of times you'll find this. So what happens is the drywallers put a lot of mud right here and they feather that out as it goes down the wall, so that way you can't see that rise when they're putting in their corner beads. So I'm going to show you a trick on how to fix this rather than having to try to fill that with wood filler or silicone. Of course, you're going to have a lot of expansion and retraction issues with those, of cracking. So I'm going to show you a really easy, quick trick on how to fix this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is actually change the angle that we're used to on our miter saw. Usually we're going to cut a 45-degree angle in order to hit that 90-degree corner on that wall. Although what we're going to do in order for a little bit of compensation, we're actually going to go to 46 degrees. So you can see here I'm already set on 0 degrees. So what I'm going to do is actually move this over to the 45 right there, and then we're just going to give it a little bump right there to 46. And if you still have a gap, it's going to be very, very small, if any gap at all. Most often this will fix the whole gap that you have. Okay, now that we went back and cut these to 46 degrees, you can already see the difference. Now we have a perfect outside miter. So what it's done is fix the imperfection on the outside of this wall. And what it's done is put that right behind the miter right there. That's going to be easily hidden when you come back and finish with your caulking and paint. Alright, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider a like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any specific content you'd love to see, and we'll get that out for you.